Welcome guys. Today I'm going to talk about how to prepare for a coding bootcamp. I've helped hundreds of people ace their bootcamp interviews, so here's my simple formula for preparing and getting accepted to top coding bootcamps. Let's start with the application process. Most likely there are going to be two sections to your application process: behavioral and technical interview. During the behavioral portion of your interview, the school wants to see your passion for coding, your determination, and a high level of autonomy. The best way to demonstrate your readiness is to start building your own projects and landing pages. During the technical portion, the interviewer wants to see your ability to communicate concepts and break down the problem into smaller parts. Don't jump into coding right away. Ask questions, lots of questions.
I have several questions.
If you're asked to write a function, ask about the inputs and outputs of how the function is supposed to work. Ask questions about the edge cases. If you can, try to write out an example of how this function is supposed to work before jumping into code. The biggest mistake I used to make when I was a code newbie was freeze. I would get nervous and not say anything to my interviewer.
I can't move. I'm terrified.
One way to overcome it is to keep talking and explaining your thought process, and eventually you will get to the solution. Now keep in mind that bootcamps are trying to evaluate what is this person going to be in the job search. Are they going to be polite? Are they going to have a positive attitude? Are they going to represent the school in the best light? These are all soft skills, but keep in mind that most people get rejected for non-technical reasons. Now, after you've had your coding bootcamp interview, make sure to send a thank you note to your interviewer. You'd be surprised how many people don't do that. It doesn't need to be long, just a few sentences to thank them for their time and express your interest and enthusiasm for the school. The last point about preparing for a coding bootcamp interview is having options. We recommend applying to 3 to 5 bootcamps, so in case 1 or 2 schools say no, you still have plenty of options left. If you found this video helpful, please comment below what technique you're going to use in your next coding bootcamp interview. Let's break in.